In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Facebook business page. Maybe you've decided to close up shop, or perhaps you're just moving your operations elsewhere. Whatever your reason may be, deleting your Facebook business page is a straightforward task, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Facebook account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with the business page you intend to delete. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon or name at the top of your Facebook homepage. This will take you to your personal profile page. From there, you should now see a list of pages you're managing either in your shortcuts on the left side of your homepage or via the Pages section on your profile. Go ahead and select the business page you wish to delete. After clicking on the desired business page, your next stop is the Settings menu. You'll find this by looking for the Settings gear icon. It's typically located at the top right corner of your page. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your business page. On the Settings page, locate the Access and Control category. It's essential because this hub provides options for managing who can control your page. Click on it, and you'll be given the option to either deactivate or permanently delete the page. If you're still unsure whether deleting is the best option, you have the alternative to deactivate the page. This will put your page on pause without deleting any information. However, suppose you've made up your mind to delete it permanently. In that case, choose the Delete Page option. Facebook often asks you to confirm your decision multiple times, and a key step here is clicking on Continue to proceed further. Before you finalize deletion, it's crucial to decide whether you want to keep any of your data. You'll find the option to download your page information or transfer a copy. Consider downloading a backup of your data in case you need it for future reference. Once you've made your decision about data, click Continue again. Now, you'll be prompted to type in your Facebook password. This step is a crucial security measure to ensure that you indeed want to delete the page and that you're authorized to do so. Input your password and click Continue once more. Finally, you'll see a confirmation screen with the option to Delete Page. Clicking this button will trigger the deletion process, and within 14 days, your Facebook business page will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to delete your Facebook business page. Remember, this process is irreversible after the waiting period, so make sure you're certain about your decision. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.